In this lesson, we're going to take a look at selections in the skin modifier in 3ds Max 8. Open the file gnome skin start.max and select the gnome torso object, which already has a skin modifier on it. Select the skin modifier, and we'll take a look at some of the new selection features. Click Edit Envelopes, and you'll see that part of the UI has been reworked. We have some new buttons as well as a different layout. We have our selection filters, vertices, envelopes, and cross sections. We'll just turn on vertices, and you'll see that we have 4 new buttons: shrink, grow, ring, and loop, which correspond to the selection methods in editable poly object. Let's try out, for example, creating a loop selection. Select a couple vertices on the head that define the direction of the loop, and you can hit the loop button. You'll see that all the vertices that make up that loop become selected. You can do the same for a ring selection. We'll just select a couple of vertices and choose ring, and that ring of vertices becomes selected. We also have the grow selection, which will grow out from your selection, and shrink selection. So as you can see, it's very easy to make complex selection with skin and vertices. We also have a select element checkbox. This will allow you to select all of the vertices for a corresponding element. In this case, everything is one element, but if you had a mesh made up of different elements, you could select each one using this option. We also have a backface cull vertices checkbox, which is very useful if you want to ignore vertices that are not facing towards us while we're making our selection. This is something that a lot of users requested for quite a while. So with this on, we can select a group of vertices, and the vertices in the back will not be selected. If you turn this option off, then everything will be selected that's within that marquee all the way through the mesh. We also have some improvements to the boneless window. Now bones that have a name longer than the window can fit will clip their names so that they can fit within the window, and you can still see the prefix and the suffix of the name. So this is the new selection methods in Skin for 3ds Max 8.